Hello everyone, it's me Village Boy. Hope you guys you are fine and I'm also fine. In this video, I'm showing about that how to download plus apps, tweaked games, hack games and many more applications. In last few days, Apple revoked their certificate from the different applications such as Tutu, Panda Helper, Ignitions, iOS Ninja. But in last few days, still one app's working properly. The application are iOsGods app. Download and installed iOsGods jailed app from the source. First of all, open Safari browser and type iOsGods app. Then we can download the profile from official web page. Introducing the iOsGods jailed app. First of all, installed. The website is trying to download a configuration profile. I already installed the configuration profile. You can install and verify the profile from general and go to profile, at last profile and device management, and you can install from here. Then after, close this application and open iOsGods app. First of all, you can notice that important announcement, apps has been resigned. Please uninstall old ones and re-download. It's mean if you downloaded already the application, then clear the application and reinstall the application, better performance. I understand I am downloading YouTube Plus from this iOsGods app. Done. Here we see care cube for YouTube, no ads. This YouTube are YouTube Plus that does not have any ads. There have downloaded option and many more options from this care cube. First of all, install the application. One important notice I forgot to tell you about. First of all, you can create iOsGods app, login username or password. Here we see the YouTube application are installing. YouTube Watch, Listen, Stream is already installed because I already installed this application in my home screen. Let's see, I am playing first of all YouTube. Here we see there have many more extra features, downloaded option and many more. Here we see that does not have downloaded option, but you can still download the application.
भावना म्युजिक सोल्युसन प्रस्तुत गर्दछ.
Thank you for watching this video. You can download or do many more things from iOsGods app. Thank you for watching this video.